Remote Control is a Kids Place plugin that allows users to remotely change and set Kids Place settings on their child or employee's device. Remote Control is a powerful administrative tool with features like send file or push notifications, and enable a phone finder, geofencing, and location tracking. To start, both Kids Place and Remote Control must be installed on the device you wish to remotely manage. Once installed, launch Remote Control. Link your Remote Control account to your Kids Place account using an email address. Once you've logged in, the Remote Control home screen will show the device ID. It's now time to set up the administrator account on your device or computer. For this example, we'll first use a phone. Open your web browser and go to kidsplace.kidaware.com. Log in with the same email address, and you will be prompted to add Remote Control to your home screen. This downloads the Kids Place Remote Control Administrator app to your device. You can now use the Administrator app to manage your child or employee's device. Logging into Remote Control is just as easy on a desktop computer. Again, go to kidsplace.kidaware.com and log in. Allowing notifications is necessary for features like geofencing and to receive information about app usage. On the home screen, you will see all of the devices linked to your account. Click on any listed device to begin using all of the amazing features Remote Control has to offer.